Guys, we are going to learn about SMART-PLS today. So I'm going to show you that how SMART-PLS works actually, So for that you have to have the SMART-PLS first, and we are here in SMART-PLS right now, okay? We have a couple of things here. So I'm gonna start, for example, I'm gonna delete this green project, green leadership, delete it, all right, okay. All right, I'm gonna start a new project because you have to learn from the beginning. So once you're done with the project, you have to start a leadership, something like that. All right. Once you're here, then you have to import data, and here already I have data on it. All right. Okay. So we got some data here, right? And for that, because you have imported data, so you can see here your items, your serial number, your missing values, your mean values you see here, and then medians and then minimum, maximum, standard deviation, cutoffs, and a lot of things. So उसके बाद मैं आपको ये दिखाना चाहता हूँ कि आपको project start कैसे करना है. How you have to new project right here. For example, if you write ABC, so you're gonna have a project here. Okay. Maybe I did wrong because you don't have to aid the project again. So you have to create a new path model, right? For example, leader leader again. I'm writing it as here. So you see after work data file, data file, you have created a new window where you will create your model, right? For example, I have three models, and I'm gonna rename it like EI, emotional intelligence. Here I'm gonna give it name like leader, and then here I'm gonna get no, okay, deselect it, delete it, and then you have to select it and rename it leadership, and then here is innovation. All right, for example, INNOV innovation. There are three ends, so I'm gonna take one more. Okay, so there are three names. You take some, for example, items that are exactly showing on the left side of the screen here. I show you here. It didn't take name, so you have to rename it like EI, in emotional intelligence, because innovation is comprised of a lot of people who work on with emotion. Or for example, if I take some more items for leadership, okay, I took those items, and then I may take some other items for innovation. They are showing, innovation is part of that thing. All right, okay, we took them. Now, when you click on it and then right click, you can delete it, you can rename, switch between formative, switch between reflective, arrows are changing, hide indicators, all items are gone. You are back, and then right click and show indicator weighting automatic mode. You don't have to go for these options. And moreover, if you want to align indicators top, so indicators can be top, align indicators back on left, right? Okay, if for example we want to just show these items on the back side, okay, maybe something like that. And then there are alignment on the top, something like that. All right, okay, export image and something like, there are some options, you can later practice those things. All right, okay, here you go, and here we select it. All right, okay, so here this model when it turns from red to blue is like ready, and then you start relation. Okay, let's go to them. Here we, all right, here are we. Okay, so you see here that these items have low value. They are too little less point something 7 values, but they are fine. The factor seems to be quite good. All right, so here we are with the model, right? And moreover, I want to just show R square value. You have F square value here. You have customer reliability model. Oh, all things are good, quite good. Discriminant validity, collinearity, statistics, p-path coefficients, total direct effects, all loadings, and a lot of things. So you can just talk about those things. I'm not going in detail what those things are, but actually, this is how you work with your model. Thank you for watching me today. Bye.